Hi friends, in this video I'll show you how to turn your mobile phone into a webcam within 30 seconds, which can save you around 2000 rupees. For that you have to download only two apps, one in mobile phone and the other in the PC or laptop. The first I'm downloading the app in the PC. The app name is DroidCam client. I'm saving it in my downloads. After downloading the app, you can install it. Once the installation is complete, you can download the app named DroidCam Wireless Cam, which is available completely free in Google Play Store. After installing it, open the app both in PC and the mobile phone. Make sure your PC and or mobile phone is connected to the same wireless network. See, I have connected my mobile phone and turned it into a webcam. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you.